Hi everyone, in this video I will show you what is WordPress, how WordPress works. So basically WordPress is a free open source platform that allows you to create and manage websites or blogs easily without needing to know how to code. It's one of the most popular website builders in the world, powering over 40% of all websites on the internet. So as you can see here, in order for you to start, you just have to go to WordPress and create an account. You can create an account using your Google account, email, or password. So, WordPress is a content management system. You can use it to create blogs, business websites, portfolios, online stores, membership sites, forums, and more. So, basically, there are two versions of WordPress, WordPress.com and WordPress.org. In the free version, there is a free theme right here. So all you have to do is to look for a free theme that you can use. If you want to use other themes, you need to upgrade your plan. Aside from that, there is also add plugins, small add-ons that give you extra features like SEO tools or e-commerce, WooCommerce. So you need to upgrade your plan in order for you to unlock this feature and use WordPress. So here you can create pages and posts, use a visual editor called Gutenberg to easily add text, images, and videos. After that, you can also customize and publish. So here in WordPress, you can adjust settings, menus, widgets, and finally make your site live. So as you can see, I have only a limited access to some features and applications here because I haven't upgraded my plan. So if you see or if you think that these features are needed, you just have to upgrade your plan and install plugins. But for now, you can just easily use this WordPress for pages, for posting, website, but you need to claim a domain. So if you don't know what domain means, basically you can just search for that and then you can claim domains from Namecheap, from GoDaddy, Bluehost, and so on. So that is how to promote your post or pages here on WordPress. So basically that's it. And then again, you can use this WordPress for blog, business site, online shop, portfolio, and so on. So in short, WordPress, an easy, flexible, and powerful way to build any kind of website. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.